The Bajaj Quiet Tricycle, most accurately known as the Bajaj Re-E-Tech 9.0, represents a significant step forward in urban electric mobility. It is designed to balance practicality, affordability, and eco-friendliness while keeping the traditional three-wheeler format familiar to millions of daily commuters. With a compact yet sturdy build, it positions itself as the future of short-haul transportation, perfect for both individual drivers and fleet operators who rely on consistent performance. Bajaj has built this tricycle to not only lower emissions but also reduce operating costs, giving it strong appeal in growing urban markets. At the heart of this vehicle lies its powerful 8.9 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery. Unlike conventional batteries, this pack comes with IP67 protection, ensuring it is resistant to dust and water exposure, which is vital for Indian city conditions where weather and road conditions can be unpredictable. Drivers will also appreciate the onboard charging system, which eliminates the need for special chargers, making it as simple as plugging into a standard power socket. This feature alone reduces hassle and improves convenience for daily operators. Range anxiety is one of the biggest concerns for electric vehicle users, but Bajaj has addressed this directly. The Re-E-Tech 9.0 is certified with an Arai-tested range of up to 178 kilometers on a single charge, which is more than sufficient for an entire day's worth of driving in most urban use cases. The company has also included regenerative braking technology, which helps recover energy during deceleration and extends the effective range, further improving efficiency. When it comes to charging, the tricycle is optimized for practical use. A full charge takes about 4.5 hours, which can easily be done overnight, while reaching 80% capacity requires less than 3 hours. For operators, this means the tricycle can be charged during off-duty hours, ensuring it is always ready for business when the day begins. The charging time strikes a good balance between performance and real-world convenience, making it a reliable choice for busy drivers. Performance-wise, the Re-E-Tech 9.0 may not aim for high speeds, but it delivers exactly what is needed for urban driving. The motor produces a continuous 4.5 kilowatts of power with 36 Nm of torque, which translates to about 6 horsepower in simpler terms. That might sound modest compared to traditional cars, but for a city three-wheeler it provides more than enough acceleration, particularly since electric motors deliver instant torque from the moment you press the accelerator. Speed is capped at 45 km per hour in power mode and 40 km per hour in eco mode. While this might seem low, it is perfectly adequate for city traffic where higher speeds are often impractical and unsafe. More importantly, the vehicle shines when climbing slopes or navigating uneven roads, with gradability of up to 29% and the added safety of a hill hold feature that prevents it from rolling backwards on inclines. These features ensure steady and reliable operation in real-world conditions. Durability is another key strength. The tricycle sits on strong chassis architecture with tubeless radial 120/80 R12 tires, which provide stability, smoother rides, and longer life. These elements not only enhance safety but also reduce the frequency of replacements, saving operators money over the long run. Bajaj has clearly focused on building a machine that can handle the daily wear and tear of urban driving while minimizing downtime. Design-wise, Bajaj has kept the familiar compact three-wheeler style but with modern touches to suit the electric powertrain. The interiors are simple yet functional, optimized for driver comfort, and capable of seating the driver plus 3 passengers. From the outside, the tricycle retains its recognizable silhouette, making it easy for passengers to identify, while under the hood it quietly embodies cutting-edge electric mobility. Price is often the deciding factor for many buyers, and Bajaj has managed to keep it competitive. Depending on subsidies and location, the price ranges between 3.10 lakh and 3.35 lakh rupees ex-showroom. Considering the low running costs of electric vehicles, reduced maintenance, and the substantial government-backed warranty of 60 months or 1,20,000 kilometers, it positions itself as a strong value proposition for individuals and businesses alike. One of the most important aspects for buyers is reliability, and Bajaj has a long-standing reputation in the three-wheeler segment. By offering such a comprehensive warranty and using lithium iron phosphate chemistry, which is known for safety and longer life, Bajaj reassures its customers that this tricycle is not just a trend but a long-term investment. The focus on sustainability and cost savings makes it highly appealing for cities moving towards green public transport. Real-world tests show that the Bajaj Quiet Tricycle is not meant to impress with flashy speeds or luxury features, but to deliver dependable, steady performance. The smooth acceleration, regenerative braking, and consistent range make it extremely practical for commercial use. Drivers and passengers both benefit from the quiet, vibration-free ride, which stands in sharp contrast to the noisy, polluting engines of traditional rickshaws. The Bajaj Re-E-Tech 9.0 is already appearing in select markets and is expected to see wider rollout very soon. With its official launch details listed on Bajaj's website, it signals the beginning of a broader shift towards electric mobility in India's three-wheeler market. For anyone looking at the future of affordable urban commuting or business transport, this tricycle offers a strong blend of durability, efficiency, and sustainability that sets a new standard for the segment. Would you like me to polish this further into a ready-to-narrate video script style with timing cues and transitions, or keep it as a review article style expanded into flowing paragraphs like above?